Damn, man.
I use the bathroom, guys.
God
Hey,
damn.
tell him to hold the camera.
I'ma tell him I got somebody holding it already for him. Look out, look out. Hey! Man, I'm trying to see. Yeah. Damn, man. You alright? Alright, here. Make sure you hold the camera good. Red lady. Well, he probably did that on purpose. Oh shit, look at that skunk. Oh shit, I seen it.
Come on for the game, ain't it?
God damn, that was, ooh shit.
Hold up, shit.
Look at his head.
You don't even want your ticket?
No.
He don't care about that ticket.
It's going too fast. Yeah, y'all just made a full pass.
They said, dang, look at why you red light.
Man, we was racing against I thought it was Pro Tree first of all. And then we was racing against a
Mustang.
yeah, a Mustang with a Morgan and Son motor.
They said Ray Beezy probably shitted in the seat.
Man,
Damn, you gotta wipe.
damn,
Damn.
I just smells a fart. Alright, hey, what you need?
I need my thing. Which thing? Oh.
Look out, you still getting right.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Oh wait.
You got edit on her game.
Yeah, we gotta get you to the bathroom.
Yeah.
You wanna get back in line?
Someone said he needed a diaper.
I'm finna go pull it over here.
They talking about you need a rematch.
A rematch? Nah, first, man, that car got front exits on the Mustang.
We won, though.
Yeah, we won. We stayed in front, but we lost because I took out first. Yeah, but he couldn't catch us though.
You got an iPhone charger?
Yeah.
They talking about call out that Mustang. It's an easy win.
It's up there. Cute. The charger. It's silver. It's got 3.
They talking about Ray Beezy don't need no tacos. They said they was gonna buy Ray Beezy some tacos, but they don't know because he's shitting.
Yeah, damn,
He
y'all
needs some
want to shit up here either, boy. Bathroom so hood.
The fans talking about, do you want some tacos, Ray Beezy?
Steak taco.
They got fajita tacos, steak.
Well, there's the porta potties, and then there's you have to walk to the other bathroom. But either
They
one
said-
is hot.
They said Wee Man needs some baby wipes.
Dang.
Meezy.
Damn.
They said
What we
Meezy
gonna do,
can.
man?
They said Meezy can squeeze through that gate right there.
Oh yeah.
Look, they already tell his ass.
Let me see the camera. Let me see.
Lights on.
The lights, I got.
Yeah, you took them out.
Yeah, I only got this. I had the. I ain't got no lights in here now. I done took the lights out. Let me see, y'all. What's the next thing we need to do, y'all?
More videos coming soon.
Let me see. Yeah. Let me see. How much for the caprice? It ain't for sale. We ain't sitting in this cold AC right now. Yeah. That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all. Let me see. Gap that Civic. Need a parachute on the caprice. Trying to see me run another car.
Ask the fans what they want to see from you,
They
Rick.
talking about. Let's see. They talking about get him a car seat up front.
That would be some
They
funny
probably want to see him race the car.
No, I can't handle this.
He said he can't handle this.
Ray Measy can't
Yeah.
handle this car, man.
Right, means you can handle this.
This pressure, I can't handle
A test run, maybe not here, but on the street.
He said there's pressure. He can feel it. He can't.
It is. I thought I was going to run someone over.
Yeah.
Through the lines.
it. I thought we was
He said there's too much pressure. He can't. Let me see. Well, hey, I guess here we're gonna go back to the races, y'all. Let's go. Let me see. I probably need to pull back over there on the other side, though. Let me find. I need to find a parking spot.
Oh, that's where they park their cars at?
Yeah. Well, hell, we can get out right over here. Here. I'm gonna leave my car right here. Fuck it. Come on. Let's go see what they going. Oh, right here.
Can you pass me my purse?
Here, you got the whole. Okay. Here, hey, you finna head up there now? Okay. We're gonna
Eat them tacos?
yeah.